In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of iMessage on your iPhone or iPad. Whether you're looking to resolve an issue, switch accounts, or simply take a break from messages, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps. So let's dive in and get started with the process. First, you'll need to navigate to the correct location on your device. Start by unlocking your iPhone or iPad and heading over to the Settings app. This is your one-stop solution for all tweaks and adjustments on your device. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section titled Apps, which contains all your installed applications. Tap on it and you'll see a list of all the apps available on your device. Look for Messages and tap to open its settings. Now that you're in the Messages settings area, there's an important feature you need to access. Locate the Send and Receive option and tap on it. This section allows you to manage how and where you can send and receive messages. It's an essential part of your messaging setup, allowing flexibility in managing your communication preferences. Next, you should see your Apple ID displayed at the bottom of the screen, highlighted in blue text. This is usually your email or phone number associated with your Apple ID. Go ahead and tap on your Apple ID. Doing this will bring up a pop-up menu with various account-related actions you can take. From this menu, you'll want to select the option that says Sign Out. This action will trigger the sign out process for iMessage. Once you've tapped Sign Out, wait a few moments for your device to process this request. This will effectively log you out of iMessage on your current device, meaning you will not be able to send or receive iMessages until you decide to sign back in with your Apple ID. Remember that signing out will only affect iMessages on this particular device, so you can still use other iOS devices to send and receive messages if they're logged into your Apple ID. Keep in mind that you might miss some messages if you don't log back in promptly, especially if you haven't set up forwarding to other devices or accounts. And that's it, you've successfully signed out of iMessage on your iPhone or iPad. If you ever decide to sign back in, simply go back to the Send and Receive section and tap Use your Apple ID for iMessage. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.